The contact is massive. Depth confirmed at 4,000 feet.
I have the recovery coordinates locked, analyzing seabed composition now.
Verify comms and hydraulics. Comms check. Hydraulic cutters engaged.
If you love amazing deep ocean car restoration videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next restoration journey.
These forward lifting points are clear. Confirmed on the schematic. Proceeding with the scan. Tension steady, easy lift on the main hook. Starboard side clear, disconnect confirmed. All clear, continue the ascent. This hinge on the port side looks compromised. Check the readings. Confirmed. Sensors indicate structural fatigue around the seal.
Easy, easy. Watch the ramp edge. It's clear. Keep cranking. We're almost there. Check the connection on the red wire there. It looks secure, but the bracket needs tightening. Careful with that wiring harness, it's brittle. Yep. Okay, this connector goes here, right? Yep. Yeah, drop the coolant hoses in the lower tray.
The extent of the saltwater damage is immediately apparent as we examine the undercarriage of this classic racer.
All right, lowering it now. Watch the clearance on your side. Copy that. Looks good. Keep coming down slowly. Finally got that off. Look at the state of this connection.
Night and day compared to the new ones. We'll start threading them from this side.
Hooks are set. Go ahead and take up the slack. Slack taken. Holding steady. Looks good.
It's seated.
Confirmed. Ready for the caps? All right, take it down slowly. Watch the cross member.
Yeah.
Clear on this side. Keep it coming straight back. Make sure the gap is exactly 3 millimeters on that side. Got it. Applying final torque spec now. Torque set on this side. Messed up. Gap looks consistent. Ready for the next one.